morning to all. So this is Selvakumar from SNS College of Technology and Department of Computer Science Engineering. So now I am going to tell about flat design and the role of UI in UX in UI UX design. Okay. So what is meant by flat design? So first thing, your minimal design philosophy known as a flat design. So the places as a strong emphasis on clarity and simplicity. So it is designed by bright colors, simple two-dimensional features, and an emphasis on functionality. So by removing external details and the decoration, a flat design in a UI UX design seeks to produce a visually appearing and intuitive user interfaces through it would not appear in the digital world. For some time after the international typography, the style is frequently cited as having had the greatest influence on the flat design. So it rises to popularity in the 1950s and 1960s. Is seen that birth of flat design. So origins of flat design. So the conscious break from the dominant circumbrate design approach, so which is imitate real world structures and object in digital interfaces, gave rise of uh, gave rise to flat design. So in the early 21st century, so clarity, simplicity, and a cleaner user experience were the driving forces behind the changes to flat design. So next one, the Metro design language. So from Microsoft was instrumental in spreading use of flat design. So Metro was a visually arresting and inductive design that was first introduced with Windows Phone 7. It created strong colors, clean lines, and typography. A major factor in the forward acceptance of flat design concept was the design language that was applied to other Microsoft products. The redesign of Apple iOS 7. That time, the Apple introduced iOS 7 as a revolutionary step towards the adoption of flat design. When departing from a schemomorphism, iOS 7 features and flat and minimalist aesthetic settings a new standard for UI design and across the industry. So enhanced user experience. So simple a flat design interface simplicity for easier user navigation and lower cognitive burden. So user can craft and encourage with the materials more readily when superfluous aspects are removed. So making the experience more natural and pleasurable. So faster loading time. So smaller file size are made possible by the minimalistic style for flat design. So which speeds up loading times in the end. This optimization improve the performance of the interfaces and guarantees a smooth user experience, and especially in a situation where internet connections vary. The flash tail is an excellent option for responsive design because of adaptability to a wide range of screen size across a variety of devices. The versatility guarantee a consistent and aesthetically pleasing user experiences. So core principle of flat design. So easiness. So the clean line and simple shapes are hallmark of flat design, which minimizes visual culture for interface that easy to use. So next one, color scheme. So bright and striking colors improve flat design's visual appeal while also creating a contemporary and captivating look that enhance the user experience overall. Stylography. So carefully selected, so readable typefaces provide an interactive user interfaces that improve accessibility and information understanding. And then fundamental icons. So it flat design, so icons are made simple and intentionally identified, which encourages user interaction and navigation by removing superflows of elements. So these are the core principles of flat design. So common misconception of flat design. So clarity versus aesthetics. So a major problem in a flat design is striking a fine balance between minimalism for clarity and visually attractive aesthetics. So clean line and simple features should be prioritized, but designers also need to make sure that interface maintenance its visual app to draw user in and improve their entire experience. Accessibility. So paying close attention to contract and readability is necessary while designing flat designs with accessibility is mind. So in order to make this interface user friendly for a wide range of skills, and the designers must balance aesthetics with the usability. So this dedication to accessibility uphold to the values of user centered design by ensuring a provider and a more inclusive reacher. Okay. So transition to UI UX and their relationship. So digital product design heavily relies on the interwoven disciplines of user interface UI and user experience UX. The layout, colors, and interactive components in the make up to the user interface shapes the overall appearance and experience. So UI on the other hand, so emphasizes usability, accessibility, and the stratification while concentrating on the whole user journey. So while user experience guarantees a smooth and engaging experience, the user interaction act as the tangible interface that people interact with. Good design balanced and to maximum usability of user happinesses. So collaborative methods that balance UX and UI produce engaging user centered design that push the boundaries of digital and experience and efficiency and enjoyment. So role of UI in UX. So user interface is a physical link that connects consumers to digital product in the context of user experience. The considered as a mobile application where the way user engage is directly influenced by UI components such as buttons, navigation, and visual designs. The UX is improved by a well-designed user interface that guarantees easy navigation, eye-catching design, and flawless operations. An e-commerce app streamlined user interface, for example, makes buying easier and improve the customer experience. In essence of user interface, components are the touch points that convey user experience. The idea is to congregate aesthetically pleasing interfaces, greatly impacting how consumers view and engage with digital products. The core principles of flat design. The interface of physical link that connect becomes from digital products. The content of user experience consider the mobile application where the users and designed with user interfaces. Okay, so these are the harmony of UI agent is already said that. So conclusion. So the user of flat design is evidence of the best charts of practically in a simplicity in the ever changing field of design. So flat design fosters and intuitive, aesthetically pleasant user experience with the clean lines, brilliant colors, and simple approaches. The principles of flat design make it clear that user interface is not only component in creating the overall user experience, and the digital interface that not only catch the eye but also improve the user experience as whole bar made possible by the mutually beneficial link between user interface and the user experience or UI and UX. The role of user interface in the flat design is crucial since it converts design concept into concrete, approachable user experiences. Okay, so that's all about loss and role of UX in UI in UX. Thank you.